Let's start with a mach and a mach. A mach is to be used when you are describing the action of going out, so the direction, let's say, whereas a mach is used to describe the final position or the final destination. Let's look at some phrases that will help explain this. The first one, Connig mé é ag teacht amach as an seomra. I saw him coming out from the room. Connig mé é ag teacht amach as an seomra. Téann sé amach. He goes out. Téann sé amach. Rocking mé amach cnis. I will go out. Rocking mé amach cnis. Moving on then to a mach. As I said, this more refers to the final position or the final destination. So for example, bhí sé amach, he was outside. Bhí sé amach. Tá mo char taobh amach. My car is outside. Tá mo char taobh amach. Moving on then to isteach and isteach. So in a similar way, isteach refers to the action of going in, and isteach refers to the final position of